Civic health officials today said the situation is worsening in Rajasthan after bird flu virus was detected in crows whose carcasses were found in the city 3 days ago. The authorities are now on high alert, India Today reported. Till now, 47 crows have died in Kota, 100 in Jhalawad and 72 in Baran. No death reported in Bundi. We are taking necessary steps to spread awareness and control the situation, said Rajasthan Principal Secretary Kunjilal Meena. Rajasthan Animal Husbandry Minister Lalchand Kataria said, "It's a serious matter. An emergency meeting of concerned officials has been called. We are monitoring it," saying that the samples need to be collected from areas where bird flu deaths are being reported. The central government has also issued an alert to the states. Moving on to the next news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, minutes after the Drug Controller General of India announced the approval for 2 vaccine candidates, said it would make every Indian proud that the 2 vaccines were made in India. It would make every Indian proud that the 2 vaccines that have been given emergency use approval are made in India. This shows the eagerness of our scientific community to fulfill the dream of an Atmanirbhar Bharat, at the root of which is care and compassion, the Prime Minister tweeted. Prime Minister Modi, while applauding the frontline workers, said, "We reiterate our gratitude to doctors, medical staff, scientists, police personnel, sanitation workers, and all corona warriors for the outstanding work done, that too in adverse circumstances. We will remain eternally grateful to them for saving many lives," PM Modi said. He also called the development a decisive turning point, accelerating the road to a healthier and COVID-free nation. Moving on to the next news, Adar Poonawalla, the chief executive of Pune-based vaccine manufacturer, said all the risks taken by Serum Institute have finally paid off. The tweet came shortly after the country's drug regulator cleared its Covishield vaccine for emergency use approval in India, reiterating that Covishield vaccine, developed by Serum Institute of India in partnership with Oxford University and pharma major AstraZeneca, is safe and effective against coronavirus. Mr. Poonawalla said that the vaccine is ready to roll out in the coming weeks. Happy New Year, everyone. All the risks Serum Institute of India took with stockpiling the vaccine have finally paid off. Covishield, India's first COVID-19 vaccine, is approved, safe, effective, and ready to roll out in the coming weeks, Mr. Poonawalla tweeted. Moving on to the next news, the Congress party today asked the Indian government to explain why mandatory protocols and verification of data from stage 3 trials have been dispensed with while granting permission for the emergency use of the COVID-19 vaccines. The opposition party said the issue is pertinent since no other country has apparently dispensed with these key processes. Shashi Tharoor of the Congress tweeted, "Covaxin has not yet had phase 3 trials. Approval was premature and could be dangerous. Dr. Harshvardhan should please clarify. Its use should be avoided till full trials are over. India can start with the AstraZeneca vaccine in the meantime." Jairam Ramesh, the senior Congress leader, said, "Bharat Biotech is a first-rate enterprise, but it is puzzling that the internationally accepted protocols related to the phase 3 trials are being modified for Covaxin. Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan should clarify." Moving on to the next news, Dr. Randeep Guleria, the chief of Delhi's All India Institute of Medical Sciences, today said that the Bharat Biotech's coronavirus vaccine, which is still undergoing clinical trial, is likely to be the backup vaccine in the coming days, as 2 vaccines got emergency approval from the country's drug regulator. "I feel that in the coming days it is the Serum Institute vaccine that will be the main vaccine. Bharat Biotech is only a backup for emergency use in case of reinfection," Dr. Randeep Guleria told NDTV in an interview. "By that time they will get their dosage ready, and by the time they will get the data which will be able to show that the phase 3 data is robust and they have enough events to show that it is safe, we will be able to have that vaccine available, but the first few weeks it will be the Serum Institute vaccine which will be rolled out. It has 50 million doses available," Dr. Guleria told NDTV.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.